More than 100,000 US homes were seized by lenders in the month of September. This was the highest rate of foreclosures since records began. This weak data weighed on US banks overnight, and the Dow Jones dropped 50 points plus this morning. Back closer to home, weak data with regards to household spending continues to weigh on our expectations of growth for New Zealand. This data reinforces our view that the Reserve Bank of New Zealand will continue to hold rates until March of 2011. Recently, we have seen interest rates continue to track sideways. This weak data caused swap rates to fall about 3 points in yesterday's trading, and rates currently remain close to recession lows. As I alluded to yesterday, it was likely that the Australian dollar was going to hit parity with the US dollar. As of 3:30 yesterday, we had our party hats on and a cake came out in the trading room as we watched the Australian dollar soar above 99.8 US cents. As of 4:30, our party hats were back off as we watched the Australian dollar slip down under 99.6 US cents. Naturally, the New Zealand dollar was dragged up with this movement. However, after the weak retail data, our dollar did shed some points. Although our agricultural sector is currently being affected by the appreciation of our currency, at the same time we should spare a thought for our Australian counterparts. Whilst they do produce a similar agricultural product mix to ourselves and do sell to the same markets, their currency is 25% more valuable than ours, obviously weighing on their competitive advantage. In general, our currency moves in correlation with commodity prices. Recently, we have seen good price increases in forestry, sheep, beef and dairy. Over the last week, butter and casein prices did press slightly higher. However, whole milk powder prices did drift off by about $50. Recently, we have seen on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange that liquid milk futures have increased in value during the last quarter. This has come as both corn prices increase and dairy volumes do decrease out of US and Europe. Back here at home, the New Zealand Exchange did record their first trade for whole milk powder futures. The price was above $3,500. However, it is too early to start looking into these numbers to see if they will be representative of what will happen in the next global dairy trade auction.